Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, viewers and Nexo, to this grammar class about present simple affirmative.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to learn.
First, I will show you the lesson structure. Theory. We learn the grammar rules. Examples. We see clear sentences. Quiz. You choose the correct form. Nexo. Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Now we start with the theory.
Great. I will listen carefully.
Basic use. We use the present simple affirmative to talk about facts, habits, and routines. Example. The sun rises in the morning. Example. I drink water every day. In affirmative sentences, we say that something happens or is true. Example. A bird flies in the sky. Example. The shop opens at 9. Sentence order. The basic order is subject plus verb plus extra information. Example. I read a book. Example. They play football. With I, you, we, and they, the verb stays in the base form. Example. We cook dinner. Example. You live near the park. He, she, and it. With he, she, and it, we usually add s to the verb. Example. He works in a bank. Example. She likes music. For verbs ending in s, sh, ch, x, or o, we usually add es. Example. He watches TV. Example. She goes to school. When a verb ends in consonant plus y changes to ies. Example. She studies English. Example. He tries new food. The verb be. The verb be has 3 affirmative forms in the present simple: am, is, and are. Example. I am happy. Example. They are tired. Use is with he, she, it, and one person or thing. Example. The cat is small. Example.
The room is clean. Time words. Time words like every day, often, and usually help show routines. Example: I walk every day. Example: she usually eats breakfast at home.
Good work with the theory. And now examples will help us practice.
Examples make the rules clear.
I wake up at 7. You speak English.
We eat rice for lunch.
They ride bikes in the park. He drives a blue car. She reads a newspaper. The dog sleeps on the sofa. The bus stops here. My brother watches cartoons. My sister goes to the library. A nurse helps people. The baby cries at night. I am in the kitchen. The apple is red. The shoes are under the bed.
We usually drink tea. Now it is quiz time, so choose the correct affirmative form.
I am ready for the challenge.
Choose an option. Play. I play tennis. Choose an option. Plays. She plays tennis. Choose an option. Live. They live in a small house. Choose an option. Lives. He lives in a big city. Choose an option. Cook. We cook soup. Choose an option. Watches. The child watches a movie. Choose an option. Goes. My father goes to work. Choose an option. Studies. A student studies math. Choose an option. Am. I am at home. Choose an option. Is. The phone is on the table. Choose an option. Are. The flowers are yellow. Choose an option. Drinks. She usually drinks milk. Good job. You completed the class.
Thank you, and see you in the next lesson.